Hello there, Sifu Jacob here with Iron Wire Martial Arts, and today I'll be demonstrating double knife set of Hunga. What's interesting about the double knives is that when you develop a skill for them, what you can do with the blade, you can do with your hand. So it's a transferable skill. To develop a skill, you need hours of dedication and practice and training. A lot of the times a student may ask Sifu, teacher, how do I get better? Usually the response is more practice. Now I know that can easily get discarded, but repetition is the mother of all technique. The repetition, you attain more. So remember to train hard and have good character. Please enjoy this demonstration. I briefly mentioned earlier to you that the blades are an extension of your hands. I just want to give you a very brief demonstration of that, and I want to show you how what you learn with a blade, you can, a double blade, you can transfer to your hand, or a single blade. The principles are all flowing. That's why they're principles. Let's say I don't have a partner, but let's say there was a position one. I'm gonna gun, okay? This blocks it, or this actually cuts it. This cuts it as well. This comes back around, traps, hit, okay? I don't want to stop here though. It's just like in any fighting art. I don't want to stop for a Polaroid picture. I hit the guy. Wow, I don't want to just stand here. I want to get behind him, or I want to move. One. Punch in single blade. He's thrusting a blade or an attack right towards me. This blade knocked it out of the way, but you also want your head out of the way. One. This cuts. This has tape because I don't want to ruin my bag, or you don't want to hurt yourself. One. Two. This can trap the arm or go straight to the neck. One. And this cuts on the way back. One. Two. Get behind me. Empty hand, it's the same way. He's coming, I'm gonna get off the line. Attack is coming. One. This can hit. Back of the fist. First hit is right here. One. Two. I can use a hammer fist, or one. Get behind him. Pull him down. Pull him down. I want to end on a final note that if you want to learn this stuff and you want to get some of the material, you got to get out there and train. You got to find the right teacher, and you got to put positive energy and blood, sweat, and tears into it. Remain humble. Get out there physically and train. I thank you for watching, and remember, go practice today.